Have you ever wondered what happens to the food inside our body? Yes, today we will learn that. First, do you know what is this picture about? Yes, this is of a glucose drip. When is a glucose drip given? When a patient cannot get an intake of food because of a cough or cold. There can be any other reason also. And the glucose drip is injected on the hands. With the glucose drip, the patient gets energy as he can't get from food. Now, do you know Martin and Dr. Beaumont? Yes, Dr. Beaumont was a very famous scientist. He studied the hole which got in the Martin's stomach when he was in army. By mistake, he was shot in the stomach and Dr. Beaumont was able to peep right inside the stomach. He studied Martin for about 9 years. Now let's learn the journey of our food. First, it is chewed by our teeth. The teeth has 3 parts. The outermost covering, which is white, is called the enamel. After that, we have the dentine. Dentine is yellowish in color. Then you have the pulp. In pulp, all the nerves are located. The nerves go down. Now, here is a picture of the mouth and the teeth inside it. So, let's learn the dental formula. What is it? The dental formula is 2123 for adults and 212 for children. 2 means 2 incisors. This is half part of one jaw. Total there are 4 parts. So we can also multiply it by 8, which is 8, 4, 8, 12. Now 2 incisors, then 1 canine. Then you have 2 premolar and at last 3 molars. But in children, it is different. First, 2 incisor, then 1 canine, and at last 2 premolars only. There are no molars located in small childs. Multiplying by 4, we get the total number of teeth of each kind, which is 8, 4, 8. Now, next, here we have the digestive system. Above this, we have the esophagus. The spelling is O, then the spelling of esophagus. Don't confuse with that. And inside it, we have the peristalsis movement. In the peristalsis movement, the bolus or the food which we have chewed, it becomes a ball. Then this moves easily, sliding to the path. The muscles there contract and relax, forming a shape like this. Now, this was the food pipe. The food pipe is joined with the nose. The food pipe nose and the mouth are joined by the pharynx. And after the food pipe, we have the stomach. And in the stomach, the acids help the food to break down. After the stomach, here there is liver also, and the gallbladder, which stores the bile juice. Bile juice is made by liver and it is stored in gallbladder. Then it passes from the gallbladder to the small intestine. In the small intestine, the food or the nutrients are absorbed and the nutrients move to the bloodstream directly. Now, after the food goes to the bloodstream and the leftover goes in the large intestine. In the large intestine, you can see it right here, this part. And then in the large intestine, what do you see is the water absorption is taken place. After the water is absorbed, then the waste material is passed out through the anus. This was the digestive system. We will be taking the digestive system in detail afterwards. And remember a special fact. Inside the stomach, there is hydrochloric acid and pepsin. So, these acids can cause damage to the stomach and they can eat the stomach itself. Is it funny? So, what does the stomach do? It produces mucus which makes a covering. Therefore, the stomach does not eat itself. Thank you. Bye. If you like, please subscribe. We will be taking many interesting videos. Have a nice day.